lunch here? Well, today I'm going to show you how not to waste those little bits of asparagus spear, the little tough bits that you snap off, if you know what I mean, when you eat the little tips, and then you discard the little bit here that's a little bit tougher. I'm going to turn those little tough bits into the most delicious asparagus soup you've ever tasted. Stay tuned to this video. I'm sure it will come in useful sometime, and let's crack on. Okay, for this lovely asparagus soup that we're going to make today, we're going to need asparagus, obviously. Now, these are the tougher pieces that have been left over from yet another dish, which I've got up in the corner there if you want to have a look. We're going to need about half a teaspoon of thyme, some salt and freshly cracked black pepper that I've got here, 2 potatoes, these are going to be peeled and chopped, 1 onion that's going to be skinned and chopped, and we're going to need about 1 litre of a good quality vegetable stock. So, into a pan on a hob, we go with a drop of cooking oil or olive oil. There we go, in that goes. Followed by chopped potatoes, a chopped onion, our asparagus, which is, you can see that I've just chopped these up a little bit smaller. They can go in. We'll give these a gentle stir and just get them coated in the oil. Fry these for about 2 minutes. Then we can add our vegetable stock. Just a little bit at a time, there's no rush. Add our thyme, just about half a teaspoon, and a touch of sea salt. A little bit of freshly cracked black pepper can go in for seasoning. Mix this in, bring this soup up to a simmer, and let it simmer for about 20 minutes until all these veggies are nice and soft. So when it's cooked, you're going to need something like this. This is a stick blender, or you could use a food processor, and you need to give the vegetables a really good old whiz up. And if need be, pass it through a sieve. But this has turned out alright. So here it is. Now it's time for our taste test. Come on then, give us your verdict. What's it taste like? Wow, that's delicious. I hate wasting food. Well, in this instant, I've definitely not wasted those little bits of asparagus that you normally throw away. So please try this for yourself the next time you can afford asparagus, of course. And yeah, no waste. Brilliant. Really tasty, really healthy, really good for you, really easy. Please subscribe if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, that would be great. And I'll see you all again next time. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.